Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have three different job updates for today. So the first company, it is Capital One, and the second one is GitLab, and the third one is Massey. So these are the three companies for today. So we shall quickly see the job details and everything for each of these company. So the first company, it is Capital One of Campus is hiring, and the role they are hiring, it is for software engineer, that too for intern. So initially you will be hired as an intern. So post completion of internship you will be converted to a full time, and the degree or the qualification needed, so it is for B or BTech graduates, and the experience, so they are hiring for freshers, and the salary or the CTC, so during internship, so it will be 6 LPA, and post completion of internship, based on your performance, the salary or the CTC will be decided, and the work location is Bangalore. So we shall quickly see the skills that are required for this particular job role. So as they are hiring for software engineer intern, you need to be strong in any of the programming languages. So it can be Java, Python, or any of the programming language is needed. And then like you need to be good in computer science concepts, and if you have knowledge on other frameworks like Spring Boot, so it will be an added advantage. So it's an optional skill, but it is good to have knowledge on Spring Boot and Spring Framework. And you need to have knowledge of relational or NoSQL database and knowledge of message queues, and you need to have excellent problem solving skills. So these are the skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role. And here there are few steps. First step is you need to apply, then there will be screen and schedule in which your resume will be reviewed and it will be shortlisted, and they'll invite you for the further round. So there will be test and followed by interview, and last round will be the HR discussion. So these are the steps included in the selection process. So to apply, you can just click on apply. So it is through Workday Jobs. You need to create your account. So if you already have the account, you can just sign in and apply for this role, or you can just create your account and then you can just start filling the application, and you can just add all the required details and submit the application form. So this was all about the first company, that is Capital One, and the second company, it is GitLab of Campus is hiring, and the role they are hiring, it is for associate support engineer, and the degree required, so it is for B or BTech graduates, and the experience needed, so it is for freshers, and the salary of the CTC, so 8 lakhs per annum, and the location, so it is a remote, so they are looking for a remote. So then we shall quickly see the skills that are needed for this particular job role. So the first thing is that you need to be good in Linux commands, like you need to have basic Linux system knowledge, and you need to be familiar, or you need to have knowledge with any of the scripting languages. It can be Ruby or Bash, and you need to have basic understanding of Git, and you need to have excellent communication skills to communicate with the customers and co-workers. So these are the main skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role. So you can see this is the simple application form. So you need to fill your personal details. Then there are few of the questions. You can just go to these questions, like you can choose the country, and then like, do you require the sponsorship for the visa to remain in your current location? So you can just choose the option, and you should tell your biggest achievement or the personal success in customer support, like if you have any prior experience working as a customer support, you can just add that everything and whatever success you have found. And then you need to rate yourself in Linux system administration task, like poor, average, good, or excellent. And you need to also rate your skills in Git version control, and you need to rate for scripting skills. So these are the main three things, so do mention it accordingly, and do add your LinkedIn profile, and if you have the GitLab username, or if you have the account with GitLab, so do add the username, and you can answer these few of the questions. And there are few voluntary self-identification. Do mention your gender, and you can just answer this question, and then later you can just go through this and you can just submit the application form. So this was all about the second company, that is GitLab, and the third one is Massey of Campus is hiring, and the role they are hiring, it is for software development engineer, and the degree required, so it is for bachelor's degree in either computer science or any other streams are eligible, and the experience needed, so 0 to 1 years of experience is needed, and the salary of the CTC, so they are offering from 8 to 12 LPA, and the location is Bangalore. And the skills that are needed to apply for this particular job role is that you need to be strong in programming languages such as Java or Python, and you need to have knowledge on testing tools like Selenium and JUnit testing, and you need to have knowledge on various like software development methodologies and testing. So these are the main skills which are needed to apply for this role. And so the link is like you need to apply through LinkedIn. So like hope everyone will have the LinkedIn account, so you can just click on easy apply. So already you will be having the profile in LinkedIn. You can just click on easy apply, so all your details will be added automatically, and you can just add the updated resume and you can just submit the application form. So this was all about the third company, that is Masai. So the link for all of these 3 jobs, so it will be provided separately in the description. You can quickly go and apply for these roles. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.